Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are continuing the topic of the fundamental partnership. That is your interest in drawing is the further topic, children. It is most important chapter, okay? And you need to focus it very much, children. This is the most important thing. Why? Because the student never understand how should we calculate interest in drawing on a particular drawing which we are doing in the particular period of time. Okay? So see, I'm starting this interest in drawing. First of all, drawing. There are children two cases which where that drawing can be done. ड्राइंग हम दो तरीके से जो है कर सकते हैं. एक होती है रेगुलर बेसिस, एक होती है इररेगुलर बेसिस. ओके, तो रेगुलर बेसिस के भी दो केसेस हैं. देखिए क्या है, एक फॉर्मूला है, जैसे कि ये फॉर्मूला आपको दोनों में ही यूज कर सकते हैं आप, इररेगुलर बेसिस पे भी और रेगुलर बेसिस पे भी. ठीक. सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग इज इक्वल टू, आई एम राइटिंग आईओडी, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज दिस. ओके, आईओडी इज इक्वल टू टोटल ड्राइंग into rate upon 100 into average time. AT stands for average time upon 12. See children, now in this particular thing, actually what is total drawing? Suppose a person is drawing 2000 rupees per month. Okay, you always remember this, we always take the drawing of the entire year. Okay, not for a month, we take for the entire year. तो हमें पूरे साल का लेना होगा, तो हमें इस 2000 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड टोटल ड्राइंग. अंडरस्टूड? सो यू हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन वेरी केयरफुली दैट इफ द ड्राइंग इज गिवन पर मंथ और ओके और पर एनम. क्लियर? सो सी, so total drawing into rate upon 100 into average time upon 12. This is the formula to calculate IUD. Okay, now there are also two cases. Sometimes the rate of interest on drawing will be given on two bases, suppose 6% or the 6% per annum. I am clearing you this with the help of an example. See, suppose 3000 rupees you have drawn per month, okay, and 6% is given. So we'll write 12 into 3000 into 6%. Straight away you will calculate in the first case. Understanding? So straight away we calculate, double zero cancel, and here we multiply, that will be 216 0. Here, so this is how you will calculate interest on drawing. If that 6%, only 6% will be mentioned in the question, then you will find in such a way. Clear? But on the other hand, if it is given 6% per annum, 6% per annum, children, how should we calculate for this? Then here we will take for the same amount I am taking 3000 per month, suppose amount is drawn. Okay, then 12 into 3000 into 6%. And children, here we have not taken the average time, because average time will be for the entire year in the case of 6%. Okay, here 6% per annum it is mentioned, children. Then we will take interest of the half year. It means 6 month interest you will take over here. Then double zero cancel, and then you will multiply 6 to 12, 2 3 6, and that will be 1080 rupees of interest on drawing. Clear? So students, see the next topic is, I hope you understood about that. See how we are calculating on the regular basis. It is quite easy, but some difficulties will be there the student face in the irregular basis. The formula is same: interest on drawing, total drawing into rate upon 100 into average time upon 12. Okay, I am telling you how will you calculate average time. Where children, here we need to calculate average time. If irregular basis means you don't know कि यहाँ पर जो हम ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं कि कभी 3 मंथ में हो जा रही है, कभी 6 मंथ में हो जा रही है, हर रेगुलर नहीं होती है, मीन्स अलग अलग टाइम की हो रही है. तो वहाँ पे हमें ये एवरेज टाइम कैलकुलेट करने की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. और एवरेज टाइम निकालने का जो फॉर्मूला होता है, ये होता है टाइम लेफ्ट आफ्टर फर्स्ट ड्राइंग प्लस टाइम लेफ्ट बिफोर लास्ट ड्राइंग अपॉन 2. Clear? I am making it clear very much. Don't worry, in the further video I'll clear all these things. Okay, thank you so much for listening my videos, and if you like it, please subscribe and don't forget to like it. Thank you so much.